Here we have y is less than x plus 3 and y is greater than x minus 1. Let's graph each of these the way we have before. We can see that we have a y-intercept of 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we have a slope now of 1, which means we want to rise 1 and run 1. So we could go up 1 and over 1. We could also go back 1 and down 1. That would give us more points. And since it's just less than, we'll have to draw a dotted line. And that's our boundary. Either everything above this line up here are answers, or everything down here are answers to this one inequality. Let's use our checkpoint of 0, 0. Is 0 less than 0 plus 3? Is 0 less than 3? Well, the answer to that is yes. So everything on this side is a solution. Now you'll see why I'm not drawing great long lines like I did before in a moment. Let's consider now the equation y is larger than x minus 1. Well, we'll start again at negative 1, the y-intercept. And here again we see a slope of 1. The slope is 1, so it's rise 1, 1, like so, up and over. We'll keep doing that, and again we have to draw a dotted line. Now, if you hadn't noticed before, you should notice now that these lines are parallel and are never going to intersect. Let's see what the shading in portion should be. Here's our test point, 0, 0. Is 0 larger than 0 minus 1? Is 0 larger than negative 1? Yes. So this is a winner, and we'll be able to shade in everything on this side of our boundary line, which we dotted. Well, if we can use everything in this direction and everything in this direction, what does that mean our solution is? Well, the solution will end up being everything in between the two lines, but not including either one of them. So sometimes we see that we get rather interesting looking patterns where these inequalities overlap. So the procedure is to look at each individual inequality, graph it using either dotted or solid lines, depending on whether you have less thans or greater thans or equal tos, and seeing where the shadings overlap. The overlapping regions, the solution to your linear inequality system.